Lane HyreCar University. My name's Conrad Layn. The question is, how do you find and locate long-term renters? Because you can find long-term renters, you actually don't have to wash your car, you don't have to maintain it as much because only one person has your car. And guess what? You don't have to worry about renting to anyone because you have a consistent locked-in person who's paying you a passive dividend of return passive income. So what I highly recommend, instead of trying to look for long-term renters, focus on creating a long-term renter. What do you mean, I say? I mean this. Start offering them opportunities to make income with your car. Example, consider allowing them to add an additional source of income. Remember, the demographic of these people is that they want to rent your car so they can drive for Uber, Lyft, rideshare companies, Instacart, so they can actually work and make money with your vehicle. So if you give them other ways of making income, they will actually really stay with you long term. For example, yes, you can rent your car to them, but what if you're at the point where you offer them, hey, here's all these other rideshare companies you could drive for. You could be a great source and offer this to your renters. This could be an extra concierge service. You can even add this to your pictures, add a little description saying, hey, when you book this car, I'll give you a list of other rideshare companies that you don't have access to. Bam. You can even allow them to offer maybe, hey, I'll allow you to add a smaller vending machine company. There's a few vending machine companies that actually allow you to add it to the car, give the driver an opportunity to make money from people that they pick up that buy candy through the little vending machine. And you can actually do this. There's one called Cargo Box, for example. Put it in Google, go to Cargo Box. Or for example, I'll allow you to drive and add on top or halo top advertising on top of the car, which sometimes you might see when there's people driving around, they have these advertisements sitting on top of their car. They get paid for that. Yes, you can make money in that. You can split that money with them or give it to them outright. The point is, start looking for opportunities to put money in their pocket and they'll become a long-term renter. Hack for years. I've been on here for over 5 years. I have 22 cars and I'm making a lot of money. I want you guys to do it too. Like, subscribe, share, crawling out. Peace.